This is my barrel fluting setup used on the Bridgeport mill. There's a dividing head on this end with a small 3-jaw chuck, cutter arbor with a 187 full radius and a 0.25 full radius cutter. Adjustable support in the middle with a clamp on top. This end is an angle plate with a split aluminum bushing that fits the action diameter. There's 2 Allen clamps with slots and numerous drill and tapped holes down the center. It's mounted on a steel 3/4 inch cold finish bar, slots at each end to allow the entire fixture to pivot so the barrel contour will be in line with the machine ways. In the center of the fixture, underneath the paper towel and chips, is a 5/8 inch dowel pin that picks up the center slot. It lets the fixture pivot. In the future, I'm going to build a simpler version without the dividing head, just a short stub spindle to hold the 3-jaw chuck with a indexing plate, 6-hole index plate, and probably make the base aluminum. This fixture is very heavy. Works well, does a nice job cutting flutes.